9 to 11 feet with occasional seas to 13 feet. Big end inlet.
Hey, it's Tom and Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a new radio to show you. Now, it's not new. This has been around for a while, but it's new to me. Retekess sent me this about a week ago, review on my show. I did a video a couple of months ago about this radio that belonged to Jeff. He had loaned me that radio, belonged to Jeff. I really like a little radio here. It's AM, FM, and weather band. It uses 2 AAA batteries, and it cost around $15 on Amazon. It's got a little bit of a short antenna, about 12 inches, but it works quite well. You are hearing the NOAA weather station there.
20 knots. Sea is 2 to 3 feet. Tuesday night, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots, then become...
I can get as many as 3 of their transmitters here in the Tampa Bay area. Let's see what this one can get. Getting one really clear. No, I think that's all I'm going to get. Maybe I'll get one down at the end here. No. I can get that one really clear, but I can't get the other 2 that are a little weaker. Anyway, let's go. Here's the band select. Whoop. Oh, I am getting the other one. There's the band select, weather band, FM, AM, tuning knob, carrying strap, cloth. So, that's pretty good. Little tiny antenna. Okay, let's turn that down. And on the top here we have the earbud jack, the on-off volume control. There's the back of it. 2 AAA batteries. Pretty straightforward. Nice little weather band included radio. I'll show you AM and FM real quick here. We'll go to FM. And we'll turn the volume up. Try to stay away from music. Try to keep that reflection out. Whoa. Yep. Lots of music.
We deliver life-changing
There we go.
outcomes. This is expertise.
Lots of volume.
Revolves around you. This is
Small speaker, a little tinny. Yep, music. Music sounds pretty good.
A lot of new things, and I guarantee you there are things on this little checklist.
Lots of stations. Picking up lots of stations.
Over time,
I'm going pretty fast.
to recognize...
Trying to stay away from music.
No, my takeaway was I thought Brady Plato cinema is actually...
Yeah, picking up lots of stations.
The presidential...
Okay, let's go to AM, which might suffer a little bit because I'm in my office with a lot of electronics blasting out. Let's go, here we go.
He was laughing about.
That's good. Whoop.
This is a game that was won by the defense.
Yeah, a little tinny. Oh, it's working good. Good station pickup.
Saints and Seahawks tonight.
Wow.
Funding them for every...
There's the tuning indicator. When that's lit, your station is tuned in. Your station is tuned in.
Here's a station you might like. Classical piano
Oh,
on Amazon.
Alexa, shut up. Alexa, stop. Oh my gosh. Alexa, stop. Oh. Sometimes she gets too smart. I don't know what word I said, but she got woken up. Sorry about that. Okay, that's it. Pretty cool. Silver, black. Not bad. This is the Retekess PR15 AM FM weather band. Pretty small, fits in your hand easily. Cloth carrying strap. Uses AAA batteries. Have a great day. Bye-bye.